These are the Delta Airlines zip ties that they put on locked gun cases. They are pretty big zip ties. In fact, they're so big, all you need is a fingernail to undo them. Complete fail.
Passenger who left behind a blue duffel bag and a black backpack to investigate a plane. Again, stating passenger who left behind a blue duffel bag and a black backpack to investigate a plane.
So you guys didn't bother to zip tie him this time. That's killing me.
Actually, do you want me to zip tie them? Because I was
No.
do it because we had a badge.
No. I'm just.
Because I'm supposed to do it.
Oh, no. I'm
I
curious
was
about
going to let
ours.
it slide.
No, ours. Right there.
But you guys were together.
Yeah. I'm just curious.
Yeah, that's why. Because I'm supposed to. So if you want me to do it, I'm just
God,
going to
no.
let it.
We're going to go back. We're going to walk about 5 feet. He's going to put a black zip tie around it in front of me in public so that I can cut it off right now in public, because this is the most asinine process that anybody has ever gone through in the face of humanity. None have suffered as I have suffered. So we're just going to go ahead and stand here while he throws that on. There we are.
And there you guys go. I'm sitting
That's
ready.
awesome.
You guys are all set.
Awesome. Hold on for one hot second and hang on. Oh, and there we go.
Thank you. Alright, so here we have our zip tie with the little convenient press-o-matic remove-atronic doozle map. Yay. Let's go ahead and add that to the collection. Right next to all your friends.